Yes, you can export commission data for payroll via Spiff. Spiff offers several methods to get your commission data out of the platform and into your payroll system. The most direct way to export commission data is by using Spiff's built-in report builder. This feature allows you to create custom reports based on your commission data. You can filter the data to include specific fields required by your payroll provider, such as employee name, ID, payment amount, and payment date. Once the report is generated, you can easily export it as a CSV file. This universal format is compatible with almost any payroll software. Alternatively, for a more automated process, you can leverage Spiff's integrations. Spiff is designed to integrate with various HR and payroll systems. By setting up a direct integration, you can often automate the transfer of final commission amounts after they have been approved within Spiff. This significantly reduces manual effort and the risk of errors associated with importing and exporting files. A third option involves utilizing Spiff's API, Application Programming Interface. For organizations with technical resources, the API provides the greatest flexibility. It allows your IT or development team to build a custom solution that automatically pulls the necessary commission data directly from Spiff and feeds it into your payroll system on a scheduled basis. This ensures that the payroll data is always timely and accurate. Regardless of the method you choose, custom CSV reports, direct payroll integration, or the API, Spiff is built to streamline the final step of the commission process, making it simple to transfer accurate commission earnings to your payroll for timely disbursement.